Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making broccoli and cheese soup. Today for our ingredients we have unsalted butter, we have onions, we have carrots, broccoli, chicken broth, milk, heavy whipping cream, all-purpose flour, kosher salt, black pepper, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and cheddar cheese. In a large pot, over medium heat, you want to melt your butter. Add your onions, your carrots, and your broccoli. You want to cook for about 5 minutes, depending on the size of your vegetables you have cut. Slowly you want to add in your broth, milk, cream, add your salt and your pepper, red pepper flakes. Then you want to sprinkle in your flour. And then you want to continually stir over medium heat or until it has thickened. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Once it has started to thicken, you want to add in your cheese little by little. Then you want to continually stir until your cheese has melted and it is smooth. Once you finish adding in the cheese, your broccoli cheese soup is done. You can serve and enjoy. It's ready in less than 30 minutes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Baby We Eat.